You're such an asshole.
Asshole consulting. I'm starting to appreciate Six Sigma or Sigma 6 or whatever it is, where, was it 6 decimal points is the problems that occur? Every day there's a problem. Every day I would kill for like a month of no problems. I know it's not statistically ever going to happen, but oh, this SD card ain't working. Gotta go get a new SD card. Filling fell out. All this pin. It just keeps old Captain from hiking. And then you fuckers probably want me to go do some work too. I don't know. It gave me money for some damn reason. Here, and I've been with the same car insurance company for over 15 years. I've never had any accidents or tickets in my lifetime. My issue is my rates have been going up consistently for the last 4 or 5 years, about $1 to $2 every 6 months. When I asked them, they basically said the premiums have been going up, and they're saving me as much money as they can. I pay $85 a month for liability and medical on 2 vehicles. Cars are, gosh, what? 18 and 19 years old. Which everybody agreed isn't bad at all. I asked people in my area on social media if they think these rate increases are normal. It was a mixed bag. Some said it's just inflation and it's normal. I would have gone with that. Some said that it was bullshit and they shouldn't be going up like that and I should look for another insurance company. I haven't started looking yet because my sister, who used to work for an insurance company, and others I've talked to, said that I should stay where I'm at because if I have an at-fault accident, they are much less likely to drop me or raise my rates to the roof because I've been with them for so long. But I've also talked to people who said loyalty don't mean shit and that they were dropped after one accident after up to 20 years of being with the company. Others said that the longer you stay with the company, the more they go up on their premiums and you get the best deals by basically insurance hopping every 5 years or so. Do you think I should stay with my current car insurance company assuming they are more likely to go easier on me if I have an accident? Or do you think loyalty is not likely to make much of a difference and I should look for a better deal? Your thoughts? The latter. Dude, it's my... Look, 15 years ago, do you know how few people are working at your insurance company, whatever it is? 15 years ago? They don't give a shit. They're numbers. These are actuaries and numbers and statistics. And what's great about the free market economy is if they're slowly increasing it, slowly turning up the heat on a frog in boiling water, you can go and get a quote. You absolutely should. And I always do that occasionally. I always keep my eye on insurance rates. And heck, you save money that way. Once you get a house and all that, you can bundle. And like if you have all your insurance types, life, home, car, motorcycle, boat, whatever, through one company, they give you a discount because it takes less overhead and management, let alone to get you as a client. It doesn't take any marketing. But I've gone shopping around, like for example, my crotch rocket, the insurance company had this like $1,000 a year. I'm like, well, dude, what, really? So, oh no, I take it back. I went with my original insurer wouldn't even insure the crotch rocket because because you dipshit young kids, you do your wheelies, you get cracked up, and then, why are crotch rockets so expensive? So I went with another company, I think it was Progressive, and it was $1,000 a year. I'm like, God darn it. And then I just went over to State Farm, and they're like, oh, we can do that for $250. I'm like, dude, sold. There's no loyalty. That's scary. Not only should you not be loyal to your employer, you should not be loyal to the companies you shop at. They should always be constantly trying to compete, get you lower prices like Walmart, provide better service. So you have every right to go and shop around a little bit. Don't worry if you get in an at-fault accident, they drop you. Don't worry. There will be other insurance companies that will take you. If you haven't gotten in an accident in 15 years, they know accidents happen. But if you have a pretty good driving record, they know statistically, okay, this guy's very unlikely to get into an accident. And yeah, everyone gets in an accident. I got into accidents before. But I don't think you're going to be without insurance. You might have to pay a little bit more on a premium. But no, dude, absolutely. Go shop around. Find out what's out there, who's available, what the prices are. It could be that your company's getting you a really good deal, and yeah, it's insurance, or maybe you're living in an area where there's more population. Sometimes it's not inflation, they're trying to stab you. It's like, hey, did you see there's 10% more drivers on these exact same amount of roads where our client lives? We got to jack up the rates over there. But yeah, dude, go call around. Say, hey, I'm getting this. Can you give me a better deal? And insurance, one thing I like about car insurance, it's competitive. These people will try to get you a deal. They will. So yeah, do Progressive, do Geico, call up State Farm, call American Family, call whoever the other big major players are, and see if they can get you a good deal. And then there's no reason to feel loyalty. Like, I've had the same cell phone carrier for, it's going to be 20 years. No, is it going to be 30 years? No, it's going to be 20 years. 20 years. It was Aerial Communications. I still have my original phone, this big hunkin' brick. I just hoping someday I can find another battery for it and I can just be really cool with a big phone. But I guarantee you, Aerial Communications, there probably isn't a single person working in Aerial Communications anymore that was there 20 years ago. Hell, a lot of them have died. So a corporation is an entity that has fluid turnover, you know. I know we all hate Wells Fargo, but, you know, those people are probably gone and moved on, and whole new douchebags are employed at Wells Fargo, and you should still hate Wells Fargo. But, yeah, man, you don't owe loyalty to your insurance company. And then, you know, and you should at least give them a shot. Like, hey, I've been with you guys for 15 years. This company's getting me this deal. Can you match that? And they say no. I say, I'm sorry. I really enjoyed your service, but I got to go with this one because they're a little bit better. So, all right, that's it. You guys got questions? The old Captain's got answers at AsloConsulting.com. If you have financial questions, though, you don't want to spend the money on consultation, consider buying Bachelor Pad Economics, where we cover all major, mediocre, and minor financial decisions you will make in your life, be you 14 or 74. That's available on Amazon.com. We'll see you guys later.